How to request a car seat on Uber. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Now you can even request a car seat if you are a new parent or have a toddler with you. It is as quick and easy as you think. For this, you'll be needing yourself an Uber application in your mobile device. Then go ahead and sign in into your Uber account. To request a car seat just like any other time, open up your Uber app, then find yourself a Uber ride. Right above the Uber X option, you will see the request car seat option. And with a simple tap, you'll be able to request yourself a car seat. For the charges, rate for Uber car seat is the same as Uber X. It will cost you an extra of $10. The criteria for the Uber car seat is the child of 12 months or 22 lbs. You can contact your Uber ride to discuss for the request as well. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.